Hey guys, so today I have the SpaceX Starship Chopsticks that I ordered, and we're going to go ahead and open them up. They are $20 to buy, and we'll just go ahead and open them up here. Alright, so this is what they are. Has a little SpaceX logo on there. Get rid of that. And then there's a little pad here. So that's what it looks like out of the box. And these are 9-inch chopsticks. They're dishwasher safe. And then to go ahead and open them up, looks like you just, just slide this. Yeah, it just slides open. And that's what the chopsticks look like. And these are made out of stainless steel. And they are dishwasher safe. And jokingly, they do say that it's not made to catch starships or booster rockets. So it says Starship on each one. You can see it there. Might not be able to see it with the reflection, but it's there. And then, yeah, stainless steel chopsticks. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So again, that's what they look like. And then again, they come with their own little carrying case. And then that just slides back in. Like that. And there we have it. That's the chopsticks. So I'll have to use these next time I go and get sushi or something. So it's just a quick video. I'll have a link in the description where you can buy them right off of SpaceX's website. And again, they do just cost $20. And it took about a week to get to me. And again, they're dishwasher safe, stainless steel, they're 9-inch long. And again, you're not supposed to use it for catching starships or boosters. So yeah, I'll again put that link in the bottom, and you guys, if you liked watching this, you can go ahead and like, comment, or subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye.